Welcome to Does Harold Part 2. Part 1. Put a bug in my hand. You should be aware that I am very scared of creepy crawlies, especially wasps. And this one looks like a wasp.
Where is it?
You can barely climb.
Where is it? 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 I can't find it.
Wait, that's yellow one.
Where?
There.
I can't see it on the bloody camera.
Hey, nah, that's disgusting. I can't do this.
Where?
Oh, there it is. Focus.
Harold.
It's on me.
It's on you.
Lift your hand. Lift your hand. Lift your hand. Why are you videoing me? Video him.
He's run away. I can't see him.
Disgusting.
Conclude the video. Conclude the video.
That was funny. You didn't even know it was on you.
Hey, conclude it.
Is there?
I'm paranoid now. I feel like it's me.
Hey, Aaron, conclude the
That
video.
was one of my worst fears. Well, second. That was part 2, and thank you for watching.
Is part 3 coming?
Part 3 will be coming very soon. Hopefully. Okay, bye folks.